Rome feared one man more than any living enemy. A man dead before I was born. Hannibal Barca.
Because he nearly broke the Republic. Cannae still hangs over us like a curse. 60,000 Romans lost in a single day.
We've fought worse since then. Why does his name still matter?
Because he taught Rome something we never forgot. That courage alone is not victory. That discipline can be shattered. That an enemy who understands our mind is more dangerous than one who fears our legions.
The Senate never recovered from the shock. Every reform, every levy, every new legion after Cannae was shaped by fear of another Hannibal.
Fear makes men cautious, but Rome became ruthless.
Exactly. We learned to grind our enemies down, not outmaneuver them. Fabius's delaying tactics, Scipio's reforms, even our obsession with allies and supply lines, all born from Hannibal's shadow.
And that is why Cato ended every speech with the same demand. Carthage must be destroyed. Not for what it was, but for what Hannibal proved it could become again.
So we burned the city to ash because of a man long dead.
Not because of him, because of the memory of him. Rome does not fear the living. Rome fears the lesson. Hannibal showed us how close we came to losing everything. And Rome never allows the same mistake twice.
A ghost commanding legions long after his death.
A ghost that shaped the Republic more than many consuls ever did. Hannibal did not defeat Rome, but he changed us, hardened us, and in the end, that is why Carthage fell and why Rome rose.